Have you ever looked into Questrade and wondered if they offer options trading? It's a common question among investors who are seeking to expand their investment strategies. Imagine you're sitting in front of your computer, ready to take advantage of a market opportunity. You need to execute a complex options strategy, but you're not sure if your brokerage can handle it. Does Questrade have the tools and features you need? Let's find out. Options trading can be a powerful tool for investors who understand the risks and rewards. It allows you to create various investment strategies, such as buying calls to speculate on price increases, selling puts for income, or constructing complex spreads to hedge your portfolio. But not all brokerages are created equal when it comes to options trading. Questrade's options offerings. Questrade is a popular Canadian online brokerage known for its low-cost trading platform. While they may not be as well known for their options offerings as some of the larger American brokerages, they do provide a solid foundation for options traders. Here's a breakdown of Questrade's options features. Basic options trading. Questrade offers standard options contracts, including calls and puts. You can buy and sell options to speculate on price movements or create simple strategies like covered calls and cash-secured puts**. Advanced options tools. Questrade provides tools to help you analyze options prices and create more complex strategies. These tools may include option chains, Greeks, and option calculators**. Margin trading. Questrade allows margin trading for options, which can increase your purchasing power but also amplify your risk**. Options education. Questrade offers educational resources to help you learn about options trading. This may include articles, videos, or webinars**. Pros and cons of Questrade for options trading. Pros. Low-cost trading. User-friendly platform. Solid options tools. Educational resources. Cons. Limited advanced options features compared to some larger brokerages. May not be as well suited for highly active options traders. Comparison to other brokerages. To provide a better understanding of Questrade's options offerings, let's compare it to some other popular brokerages. TD Ameritrade, known for its advanced options platform and extensive educational resources. Interactive Brokers, offers a wide range of options, strategies, and tools but can be complex for beginners. E-Trade, provides a good balance of features and ease of use for options traders. So, does Questrade have options? Yes, they do. While they may not offer the most advanced options features compared to some of the larger American brokerages, Questrade provides a solid platform for investors who want to explore options trading. If you're a beginner or a casual options trader, Questrade's low-cost trading and user-friendly platform may be a good fit for you. However, if you're a highly active options trader who requires advanced tools and features, you may want to consider other options. Ultimately, the best brokerage for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. It's important to do your own research and compare different brokerages before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.